Real Telegram Cash App glitch vendor. Updated 2023 Cash App method. ATM, recycle, bank, 1K a day. Make 10 to 20K fast from credit iPhone method. Cash App money method, load your Cash App with thousands. Hit me up on Telegram for methods. Credit card fraud, swiping. Scammers make 25K a week easily with stolen credit card info. There's no way you guys are actually making videos how to commit fraud to make money with Cash App and credit cards. It's gone too far. The ski mask stuff has to stop. What is this? There's no way you guys are taking advice from dudes wearing ski masks saying you can make 20K fast from an iPhone method. First of all, if anyone actually knew how to make 1K fast or 20K fast, they wouldn't be here on YouTube giving you a tutorial for how to commit fraud and do it and copy them. Just think about how insane that is for a second. It's not gonna happen. So you're wasting your time with all these Cash App methods and things that are just never gonna happen. They're not real. A lot of these companies that own these apps are massive. This is the company that owns Cash App, Block Inc. It's a $40 billion company that focuses on financial technology. So you're not going to just be able to hack or glitch or find a method where you can steal money from them. Absolutely no shot. So I suggest you stop looking for these stupid Cash App methods from dudes wearing ski masks. Actually learn how to legitimately use some of these finance apps. Learn about Bitcoin, learn about crypto, learn about NFTs, financial NFTs. Don't just dismiss this stuff and make fun of it. There are plenty of opportunities out there. You just have to put in the time and the work. Stop looking for quick money. This stuff is never going to get you anywhere. Think long term and you can actually build some wealth. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.